Yo, what up guys, this is TM, and today I bring you the JBL Flip 2. This is basically just a portable wireless Bluetooth speaker with a good battery, good amount of battery. But well, we will just take a look at that in a second. I bought this from Fnac.pt, but probably in the US, well, you don't have that obviously, but you can easily get it from Amazon or even eBay. So pretty simple, just search Flip 2. The prices are around $99, 99 euros, around that price. So not very expensive, but well, it's not cheap. Let's just say it. It's not cheap. So got the white one. So good presentation. You got nothing on the top. Got some information on the bottom. Well, let me just cut this. Okay. So let's just take this out. Okay, so some information on the bottom. You can pause this and read it if you want. Okay, then you get the portable wireless Bluetooth speaker, stereo speaker. You can okay, so you got the Bluetooth to hear some music, and also it also works as a speakerphone, so it has a mic included. So nice. Okay, on the bottom, hear the truth. Okay, nice. Then you get this little drawing right here. Okay, so the Bluetooth, the battery. So you can just pause it and read for yourself, but well, it's a rechargeable battery with 5 hours of playtime. So 5 hours is more than enough. And noise and echo-free speakerphone system. Nice. So what's in the box? One JBL Flip 2, USB adapter, USB cable, carrying case, and a quick start guide. Okay, so compatible with pretty much everything. So let's get to this. Okay, so nice. Okay, so presentation, nice presentation. And as soon as you open it up, you can take a look at the carrying case. So pretty nice. We'll take a look at that in a second. And the speaker itself, it's rolled into this plastic bag. Okay, so let's check out if there's nothing left in the box. Okay, so everything is out of the box. So let's just close this and put it aside. Okay, so now we got the Bluetooth speaker. We'll get to that in a second. And the carrying pouch. Okay, so let's just open up this. Just remove the plastic. Okay, so real nice, real hard carrying pouch. So it won't break easily. And the zipper slides good. Okay, so here you get the instructions. Well, you probably don't need these, but unless the Bluetooth pairing mode is hard. But well, probably you won't need it. Okay, so over here you get the UK plug adapter. This is for the UK, and for the European Union, for Europe, the European adapter. This is what I'm gonna use. And it comes with a built-in how do I take this out? The American well, adapter. Okay, nice. So for those of you who want to know, this outputs 5 volts and 1 amp. Okay, so nice. And then you get well, your USB to micro USB cable. So pretty nice. So let's just put this. Okay, and let's just put this aside. If we need the instructions, well, we just go ahead and add it. Okay, so pretty nice. Okay, so the speaker itself, it has a good amount of weight. It has like this rubbery feel, so pretty nice, really like it. And over here you got your hard buttons. Okay, so I just pressed on. It's probably now in pairing mode. Okay, let's turn it off and take a look at the speaker first. Okay, so here you got the power button, volume up and down, the Bluetooth, probably the pairing and stuff. This is probably to answer phone calls or reject phone calls. Okay, then you get the level of battery right here. You got the 3.5mm headphone jack and the micro USB to charge up your speaker. Okay, so let's just turn it on. Okay, so it is in pairing mode right now. Okay, so it is connected, and well, now let's play some music. Okay, so first impressions on this, the audio quality, perfect, and the bass on this, well, it hasn't reached the part of the music that has more bass, but well, until now it feels great, so let's get to it. Okay, so you can feel the bass in the table.
Working at the convenience store. Man, it's same, just a little bit of money. We don't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs and finally see what it means to be living.
Okay, so I don't know if you could hear those kind of stops, those breaks in the music. And my bad, that was because I was using a aluminum battery cover, so that would just break the Bluetooth connection. But it works great, and as you can see, well, the bass on this, perfect, everything, you can hear it loud and clear. And the bass is good, it has a good amount of weight to it, so it's not like those flimsy speakerphones. And I'm not even going to test the speakerphone, it obviously works in the microphone. Well, all the microphones these days are good, so no need to test that. But well, JBL Flip 2, this is definitely definitely nice. And over here you can check the battery. Okay, so let me just let's just power it off. Okay. Okay, so the battery is almost fully charged. So that way you can take a look at and see what battery do you have and if you can proceed. So 5 hours of playing time, that's a lot of time. So that's it. So I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, just go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you didn't, you can leave a thumbs up the same way. And well, that's it. Subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This was TM, and I'm out.